Hello everyone, welcome to Rita's Diaries. Do subscribe to my channel on YouTube and activate the notification bell at the bottom so that you will be notified whenever I post my new videos. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends and families. Thank you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I made plain carrot juice, kiwi banana milkshake and also carrot milkshake. Hope you like it. As I'll be sharing two different kinds of carrot juice, initially taking carrots and cleaning them. Chop the carrots into smaller pieces. You can also grate them to have a smoother paste. Later add them into the mixer and blend it. Now this is plain carrot juice. After blending, you can either have it with pulp or you can filter it. In my family, they prefer the filtered carrot juice, so I always give them filtered one. We need not add any extra sugars since it's already sweet. Serve it chilled. Now to make kiwi and banana milkshake, take some kiwi and banana, peel it, chop them into fine pieces and blend them. I am adding honey to the milkshake. You can add whatever sweetness you want to. Blend it well and serve it chilled. Also adding some kiwi toppings so that you can enjoy those tasty bites in between. To make carrot milkshake, we'll take some chopped carrots in a pan and cook them for 10 minutes in low flame. Now let it cool down completely. Take these carrots in the mixer, add some milk to it. Adding some honey as per the requirement. Also adding half tablespoon of cardamom powder. The tasty and healthy carrot milkshake is ready now. Garnish it with some grated carrots and serve it chilled.